The Beverly clock, also known as the looping machine, is a hypothetical concept created by the American physicist Arthur Beverly in 1864. It was designed as a thought experiment to explore the idea of perpetual motion, which is the concept of a machine that can operate indefinitely without an external source of energy. The Beverly clock consists of a series of weights attached to a rotating disc. The weights are positioned in such a way that they alternate between being lifted and lowered as the disc rotates. The idea is that as the weights are lifted, they gain potential energy, and as they are lowered, they release that energy to power the rotation of the disc. In theory, this continuous cycle would enable the machine to run indefinitely without the need for additional energy input. However, the Beverly clock is purely a theoretical construct and does not exist in reality. It violates the laws of thermodynamics, which govern the conservation of energy. The first law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted from one form to another. The second law states that in any energy conversion, some energy is always lost as waste heat. Perpetual motion machines, including the Beverly clock, would essentially contradict these laws. While they may seem appealing, they cannot function as intended because they violate the fundamental principles of physics. Overcoming the limitations imposed by the laws of thermodynamics has been a long-standing challenge in scientific and engineering circles, but to date, no perpetual motion machine has been successfully created. The Beverly clock remains an interesting concept within the realm of scientific speculation and a reminder of the ongoing pursuit of understanding and exploring the boundaries of physics.